From today, you can launch your ready digital platform with just one click. Start earn money online from day one. With Digital Academy Fortune, everything is already done for you. The structure, the design, the copy, the courses, and the products are all preloaded and professionally organized across multiple niches. You can see the clean and professional layout. The Hero section is already designed, followed by a featured courses section to highlight key content. Below that, you'll find popular course categories, then the latest courses section, which automatically showcases newly added content. Every section is placed intentionally to guide visitors smoothly through the site and encourage engagement and conversions. In Digital Shop section. This comes preloaded with products like GPTs, AI prompts, and other downloadable resources, all with ready-to-use download links. You can absolutely add your own products and courses here as well, selling both the included content and anything you create. All courses page. Here, all courses are displayed in a clean, easy-to-navigate layout with sorting and filtering options. When a user clicks to access a course, they are prompted to log in or create an account. Once logged in, they can purchase the course through a secure checkout process or be taken to their dashboard where they can access purchased courses. Inside each course, lessons are already structured and videos are safely hosted, so everything works smoothly right out of the box. I will give the link and extra discount coupon code in description. Next is the digital shop page. All products are displayed with images, descriptions, and instant download access. This means the site is ready to generate revenue from day one, without you needing to build or upload anything just to get started. This also includes a dedicated tools page. Here, you'll find 8 essential online tools such as an image prompt generator, QR code generator, color picker and color suggestions, text formatter, and character counter. These tools are free to use and are a powerful way to attract traffic, encourage sharing, and build authority, all while providing real value without extra effort from you. This is a done-for-you business, I truly mean it. You get a complete website with pre-written copy, professional design, built-in courses, digital products, essential tools, and a payment system that works immediately. All you need to do is install the site, connect your payment gateway, and you're ready to go. Now let me show you how easy the installation process is. I'm starting with a fresh WordPress site. From the admin dashboard, go to Plugins and install a backup plugin. WVivid is my recommended option, but they also provide backup files compatible with all-in-one WP migration. Once the plugin is installed and activated, simply upload the provided backup file and start the restore process. Installation time depends on your hosting performance, but on most average hosting plans, the site installs in about 5 to 10 minutes. When the restore is complete, you'll have a fully functional Digital Academy website ready to use immediately. See, this is insane. This done-for-you Digital Academy is ideal for entrepreneurs, PLR product owners, online marketers, coaches, and anyone who wants a proven path to selling courses and digital products without starting from scratch. You can sell the included content, add your own products, or combine both to create a scalable digital business. And that's not all. They have also included additional homepage variations, so you get 2 more layout options featuring different models, including Black and Asian professionals. This gives you the flexibility to match the look and feel of your site to your preferred audience and diversify your branding without doing any extra design work. If you want to build a business around e-learning and digital product sales without the usual technical headaches, Digital Academy gives you a ready-made foundation to make that happen. Launch your own Digital Academy instantly with this done-for-you solution. With a structured platform, online courses, and ebooks ready to sell. No tech headaches, no product creation, just a smart system built for you. Start your own academy and start earning money from right today. Check the description below to check in detail and have a coupon code too. Thank you for watching.